Good afternoon, everybody. Good evening, whatever it is. Whew, am I happy? Today is Wednesday. All right, give me just 1 second to get all this set up. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, everybody, and good afternoon, everybody. I'll be live on TikTok here in just a second. I think we're live on YouTube. I don't even know at this point. Oh, wow. What a fantastic day. It's almost 7 days into a fast, and yay. Yeah. Boop. All right. Let's see what we got. I got to get TikTok up and running. All right, TikTok's going to be up and running. We'll go over every trade, including the ones that are from today. 710, 710, and 710 are today. Obviously, 78 is from 2 days ago. 27, 67, 64, 64. And why I'm still holding these trades. I think today we started at, wasn't I at like 4,000 or 5,000? I forgot what my profit was. Now we're up to 7,500. These are the live trades that are going. These are the date buy on NAS 0.02, all 0.02. It's a small account. I think I started like 1,200 or 1,500 in the account, by the way. NAS, I'm really going to have to open up because it looks like Eagle FX is doing great. So, at any rate, we're going to go over every one of these trades. Every one of these. My Good evening, everybody on YouTube. Good evening, everybody on TikTok. Yeah, good. Okay. What's up, Henry Chastain? What's up, Larry? What's up, Forex? What's up, Carlos? What's up, Vicky? Good evening, everybody on TikTok. Let's see, everybody on YouTube. What's up, Julius? Number one, Julius. What's up, LP? Rock LP or Rock the Sniper, I guess. Rock the Freedom Signal now. Good evening, CZ4785. Hello. Good evening, Casey McMahon. Afternoon, great calls. Thank you, Casey. Hope you all took advantage of that. Good evening, and God bless everybody here, including Good evening, Kelly McMahon again. Good evening, Larry Cooper. Good evening, Smoking Behind again. Thank you, Henry, for being on both. 40 minutes here in Texas. Okay. Well, yeah, you're a little behind us. It's 5:30 here, 5:22 here, LT. Good evening, LT. Good evening, Bigger. Good afternoon. I guess it doesn't matter. What's up, Nathan? Good evening, Jay Parker. What's up, Brexit? Good evening. All right. So I think we're all good. Everybody here looks like. Let's see. Hold on. 22. What's up, Carlos Vega? What's up, Mess Main? All right. So again, we're going to go over every trade that you see me have open. These are some are from 6.4, some are over a month old, some are from 6.7, which is just a little bit over a month old. Some are from just basically a week ago, some are from 2 days ago, and some are from today. I'm going to go over every one of these trades. We'll start with today and work our way back. These are trades done today. Matter of fact, I'm probably just going to close out one of these. Oh, I can't mark it, isn't it? Fuck. I'll close out one of these when market opens. I'm going to keep one NAS open, but I usually do 2 or 3 trades at a time and keep one open. You always see like there's a US 31, there's a NAS one, there's a US 31. This is just a test. I'm so proud of that one. Here's a NAS one, and here's an SPX one. Okay. So before we do that, let me move okay, we're going to go over every one of those trades, exactly why I took it, how I took it, and all that good business. So there'll be no misunderstanding. holding them that way. Everything will be gone over. Oh, exciting news for those of you in tier 1 or tier 2 or tier 3 cities. What you're looking at is, version 2.0, well, actually, I think we're on 3, of these HG cells. This is the holy grail signals. Oh, the trade that should not miss. Sounds like, look at this. Da-da-da, just wait. Anywho, we'll get into that much later today, though. Yeah, I think this is the third iteration. What's up, George? Good evening, George. Oops. What's up, Shocking Life? What's up, user? Kimberly Harrington. What's up, Kim? What's up, Dr. Bianca Adams? Good evening, Dr. Bianca Adams. Good evening, Dr. Michael Mahoney. Good evening, Michael Mahoney. I think that's everybody on TikTok. Everybody. Okay. So before we get it rolling, we have to do the usual. Oh, we heard back from the new lawyer. We have, I tell you, another lawyer. So we heard back from the lawyer, and he loved the disclaimer. Another lawyer had drawn it up, and he wanted to read it over. I was so happy. Okay. So the disclaimer is, yes, ironclad. I was really happy with that. But anyway, we are the only trading system in the world that I am aware of that has United States trademark issued from the United States Trademark and Patent Office. It's registered. It is protected in over 80 countries. It actually has a seal. This is sealed. Okay. 2, the safety trade system. Me and my wife. 4, class 41. A class 41 means what? A class 41 means coaching in the field of stock market trading, coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. And then it goes on to all these other things. So we are copyright, trademark, patent pending. We have a non-disclosure agreement. He said the non-disclosure agreement was perfect also. That's why it did hold up in the court of law. Also, the only trade, green up arrow, red down arrow. Also, this is a disclaimer, he loved it. We are not financial advisors. We are only social media influencers. We have a fantastic store. I'm telling you, I told you this morning, absolutely the best quality. It's better than anything I've bought anywhere. The shirts, the hats, they're fantastic. Remember, we are not financial advisors. I'm not known as a candidate. You guys are adults, make your own decisions. So if you understand, we only trade the green up arrow, red down arrow. We are not financial advisors, NDA and trademark. Yes. Very ATF 6. That's a lot of calls. Yeah, we'll go over them nice and quick. What's up, Larry? What's up, George again, and Brexit, and Jay Parker, and Nathan again? What's up, Kimberly Harrington again? Thank you for the yes, Larry. That's all I needed. All right, so here we go. Call number 1. Where is call? Well, we'll just do all 3. Call number 1 and 2 was from today at 16:34. Right after open, right when I left you guys, I said, buy NAS. Who here was at open remembers that? Sevens if you remember that. Who remembers that? Who remembers that open? I said, buy NAS. And before open, I said, buy US 30. We'll get that in a second. Anyone here remember that? Let's take a look. No one on TikTok remembers that. Interesting. Well, Larry Cooper said 7. Okay. What's up, Jamie Lawrence, art and lifestyle? All right. So there. So why did I take this buy stop at 16:34? Let's go 16:34. Let's go to NAS. Let's go to 1 minute. We're gonna have to do 30 seconds to see what I did. Let's go to 16:34 today, which is going to be way back here. July 10th. somewhere around here, I think it was. Earlier? Holy shit. My 10, 1636. Okay. 1634. Right here. Okay. Let's draw the line. 1634. Now, let's zoom in. Why did I take this trade? Why did I take this trade? Hmm. Let's take a look. It was going down. It looked for sure like it was a sell. I had drawn out earlier in the morning. I said, "Hey, make sure NAS goes down first before we take the buy." I'm sure most of you remember that, right? Most of you were gonna say, "Hey, I remember Kev saying that over and over again, do it over again." What's up, Tommy? I took it with you, coach. Nice, Larry Cooper. Congratulations. So I drew this out. I said, "Hey, if NAS goes down, we'll get in." And I told you right when I left, buy stop. So it would have been right here. Why on earth, if this is going down, everyone's thinking it's gonna go down, right? Bomb. It kept going down for several more minutes. Well, let's take a look at different time frames. Here we go. Everybody, and I'll explain how this works. What is this right in here? We'll go all the way down. What is this right in here at 1634 on NAS on the 3 minute as we were looking, by the way? Is this a buy stop, sell stop? I don't even know what that is. I know no 90%. I get that. Let's help other folks out. This is a buy stop. Hey, Kevin, another 24 to add your NAS call. Nice, Tony. Congratulations. I knew the 1 minute blue was sight before the launch. Nice, Jay Parker. Congratulations. He's going down here. Hey, 1 minute blue line, yeah, but not on NAS at this time. But still, this is known as a buy stop. So I'm going to explain to everybody here. Green in our business means up, and red means down. So when you see these two green lines, that means up. When you see these three green lines down here, that means up and up. When you see this red blotchy thing right here, that means down. Now, I'm not a mathematician by any means, but if there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things saying it's going to go up, and there's only one thing saying it's going to go down, is 5 is 5 a larger number than 1? Look, yeah, it is. So the down had no chance to go down. It only can go up, and it did there, and it went up. So this is called a buy stop. You put your buy stop line in. Where do you put it? Right on your little right here, right there. And then where do you put your stop loss? You put it below after it dipped down. That's your stop loss. And then what does it look like live? This is what it would have looked like. No one can see the future except for the indicators. My indicators see the future with near 100% accuracy. The only error is us. So watch. You would have saw this at open, just like I did at 1630. Green, 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 red, green, green. Buy. You should have put it up here. I got aggressive. I put it down because I knew it was. I looked at the 15 and saw the bounce. Minute action, but you saw it. So right here, you just saw one red and 5 green up. Put your buy stop right here and see what happens. Doop, 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 doop. And all that money you would have made. If you guys didn't get where the buy stops go and the stop losses go, well, rewatch the video. This is how to trade. I just taught you how to trade. That would have been 40 pip for you. 40 pips. Easiest, easiest money ever. Okay, so that explains the top 2 trades. Why did I hold these trades? Well, that's a different question entirely. So I always, if I'm holding a trade long term, which I did not sell the trade today, I kept them both open. Actually, I made a mistake. I took this one out. But let's go ahead and Why on earth? This is a 3-minute buy. It would have to be. Let me click this. Make sure this popped in here. 16 to be that's close enough. 3. All right. So right here where the trade occurred, you can clearly see blue line high, pink line low. Then it came up and touched. You could have got out here. You could have just closed one down and kept it open, but I did not do that. I decided to say, hey, I wonder what this looks like here. Oh, this is a 1 hour. What is an hour? Oh, look. Now you're looking for the pink line to go up the line. That's cool. That's I'm not selling that shit. It's up there, right? 3 hours, same thing. 4 hours, same thing. 7 hours, same thing. 12 hour already to the top. Daily already, weekly already to the top. When we go back to our 7 hour, you can clearly see right here that this pink line, it's all it is. No support and resistance, no nothing. This pink line hasn't gone up and touched the blue line. It hasn't on the 7 hour. It hasn't on the 4 hour. It hasn't on the 3 hour. It hasn't on the 2 hour. It even hasn't on the 1 hour. The pink is actually this blue line. Holding the trade until the highest timeline that has it going up. And in this case, it's the 7 hour. This is why I'm holding that. This trade. I'll show you why later. Does everybody understand why I'm holding the trade sevens, how I enter the trade sevens, why I took the trade this morning, why I called out that trade for you this morning, which we caught on sevens, nines if you don't, sevens if you do. What's up, Eric? What's up? Uh, who was that? Sorry. Tony, thank you for answering, Larry. Great question, Kevin. Now we're talking. Jamie Sarson Lights. All right, so sevens. Everybody understands why I took the trade, how I took the trade, why I called the trade, and why I'm still in the trade. Cool. That's awesome. When this goes up and touches it, I'll sell the second one. I already have open. So that takes the NAS trade out, why I took it and what I did. Cool. Yes, thank you, sir. It really is. Jamie, I agree with you 100%. All right. So that's why I took these two trades. Why did I take the US 30, by the way, 2.02 trade up? It's up triple because why did I take the US 30 trade, which I called out live, traded with you live at 1625? So this is a little earlier. Why did I take US 30 buy? Let's go over to US 30. Let's go down to the 1 minute chart. Let's go backwards a little bit. We need, hold on. Back here? What? There's no way. We're still not there? Damn, these 1 minutes. Back here? Wow. 16. Damn, this is it. I remember this is open right here. Yeah. So 1625. Let's mark the trade. How was I able to call this trade out before it even made a move? Well, number one, it was a 1 minute buy stop. Green, 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 red, the broken box. So technically this would have been, yeah, green, 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 red, green, green, buy. So you'd have made immediately, you would have made as soon as you entered in the trade, 50 pips. But no, we didn't stop there. I kept it open for a reason. Formed another 3 minute, actually, it would be a 5 minute buy. Right here is a 5 minute. Actually, that would be a 10 minute. Nope. We're gonna have to scoot up then. Hold on. There it is, 2 hour buy. I was calling that all morning too. Here's your 2 hour buy again. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy. Okay. So with that, we caught every pip possible on US 30. That's fucking insane. How many pips did we catch? This is like 300. 412 pips. We caught, well, it dipped down. Hold on, let me see something here. We caught out of a possible 373, we caught 325 pips. 325 out of possible 373. That's pretty fucking amazing. Anyway, 2 hour. We entered the trade off of the 1 minute and we're holding it. Well, gee whiz. I wonder why we entered it off a 1 minute high, 3 minute high, and so on. I wonder why. Well, there's a 3 hour. Here's a 4 hour. Here's a 7 hour. Same thing. Pink hasn't gone up to the blue. We have a long gap right here, which we can go over later. Now it's filled that in, and it's almost to the top. Not, and I'm going to show you another thing. This is why I'm so high on this. This is now a weekly daily buy. So until this pink line goes from here up to there, I'm not selling. I'm going to hold that US 30 trade for a long time. Lock in profit, but I'm going to hold. So until this goes up, which will take days to weeks, I'm not selling that US. So I'm going to enter US 30 multiple times as this starts to hook up on the week. It's a very, very good long-term trade, US 30. I've already made hundreds, actually thousands of dollars with it. I'm going to hold it. And there it is. So again, we go back here. We go to our 1 minute. Say, hey, 1 minute, what are you doing down there? 1 minute says, hey, I'm a buy stop right before open. Green, 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 red. Green, green, buy stop. And there it went up. From there, we caught, I swear that's every pip possible. Every pip humanly possible, or at least the vast, vast majority of there. Buy stop, US 30, 1 minute again. There it is again. Already did it once. Did it twice and 3 times. There it is. How long am I holding it for? When you enter some trade like this, show you your ins and outs, teaching you everything. Teaching you, this is step-by-step 101 how to create the system. You don't need 10 charts. 2 you should use, but you don't need 3 or 4 or 5. You need 2 or 1. Stop loss would have placed here. Trade would have moved up. It did. You initially, we saw this live, it was fantastic. We initially made from here to here 50 pips. And if you didn't take that 50, 45, 50 pips out, you're a greedy pig and you deserve to get slaughtered. It would have came down and down, 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 hooked back up and gone up. But why didn't I sell? Why wouldn't I get rid of it? Why didn't I take out US 30? Well, I did one actually. Why didn't I close the other trade down? Because I knew it had to go up on a daily. I knew it had to go to the weekly. I'm not closing that trade down that's open. I'm going to lock in and let it run for the 30th time until this line down here comes up and touches this blue line right there. That's why I took it, how I took it, when I took it, exactly how long I'm holding it for. Sevens, if that's clear. We can check Kevin. Good afternoon, Kevin, too, by the way. Good afternoon, Kevin, 200000. I'll wait for some responses on YouTube. There you go. All right. Next trade I'm in. So these are the trades from today. $300, $300, $800. We'll just say $700. $1,400 today. It started at a $1,200 account. I'm going to go and say maybe $1,500. I don't know. NAS. Okay. This is a trade from 4 7, I'm sorry, from 7.8. This is a trade from 7.8, sorry. This is a buy on NAS. So let's go to 7.8 at 16.36. That was a trade too. So let's go to NAS. Let's go to 7.8. 7.8 back away. At 16, it would have been right around here. Yep, right here. So let's go ahead and go down to 16. There we go. What time was that? It was at 16:36, 16:35, close enough. All right. So this is NAS. This is the date I took the trade on 7/8. Time down here, we use Athens time only. Athens UTC +3. Why would I have taken this trade? Well, let's see. At open, you got to move quick, by the way. You guys understand that. Here it is. We have green, 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 red. Same thing on US 30 today. Green, green, buy. You could have took profit out immediately. I did. I opened up 2 trades. I left one open. Why would I leave this NAS trade open? It went down. I could have been tapped out. Another buy, another buy, another buy. Interesting. It's interesting. What the hell is that? Let me put this down so you can okay. Look at all that. Holy shit. How much we up in that trade? We should be up more, it looks like. 7, 8, 587. Interesting. Oh, it is, yeah, my bad. All right. So anywho, we're up 200 pips. See on this. Here to here. Yeah, we're up. Yeah, about 270, whatever. 290 pips looks like. Yeah, 290 pips on that trade. So that's pretty good. Okay, fine. Anyway, why did I take it? These are your buy stops at open. You have to look at the faster time frames at open when you do this. You can't be looking at a daily, weekly when you're looking for your entrances. Most of the time I use hourly. Whoa, what the fuck was that? There we go. What the hell was that? But anyway, so I was looking at a 3, 1 minute, 30 second, 5 minutes. I was looking at. If you go to NAS to the higher time frames, nothing much here. 1 hour. Sure does look like a buy stop on the sniper. That's why the sniper's so important. Shit. Anyway, this is your 1 hour. You can see peak low, blue high. It's all that matters, fill in the gap. So that would have been like a 30-minute. No, that would have probably been a 10-minute buy, actually. Anywho, okay, that's still good. Here's a 4 hour near the peak, 7 hour near the peak. So why would I hold this? Gee, I don't know. We had a 4 hour near peak. We had a 3 hour near peak. A 2 hour wasn't. The 2 hour was low in this trade occurred. Interesting. Fill in the gap. Like I said, I wonder if this could have been a 10-minute buy stop. Let's take a look. Nope. Happened after. So let me see. This was a 5-minute. Yep, that opened right there. It would have been green, green, green. A little clearer one for you all to see would be a 3-minute buy stop. The one I started with, right here. That's your buy. Green, green, red, green buy. And I stayed in it because at the time of this trade, you saw the 2 hour pink low and it had to go up and touch. Why didn't I sell? Because I'm not looking at 2 hours only. I'm looking at weeklies. I'm looking at dailies. Oh, but it touched. It went up and touched. They'll flatline and keep going up. I'm going to hold this trade, lock in profit, and hold it. There's another reason. If you look at US 30 weekly, it hasn't even started to go up yet. goes up, buy stop, all time frames. Anytime you see a buy stop, take it. US 30, NAS, and SPX, they all three trade the same. I'm going to go ahead and call that. Based off of US 30, I'm going to hold NAS until the US 30 line comes up. Okay. If it comes back down again, great. I only need, you know, a few things instead of something big. That's what I'm looking at. That's how important the sniper is. Yes, you guys understand why I took the NAS trade back on 7-8 and why I'm holding it. No, if you don't. We'll go on to our next 7-8. No one knows? What's up, Jose, Luis, Alonzo? Seldon's over there. Cool. TikTok, anyone know? I took the trade. I'm holding it. I close enough. Next trade is 627 US 30. It's a nice trade. 627 US 30 at six right at open, 1629. So 627 US 30. Six. So we're gonna go to US 30. We'll go back to the 15-minute because we got to find this kind of quick. We're gonna go to 627. Somewhere around here. Too far. 627. There we go. Right here. Actually. Oh yeah, I see it. Right here. And why would I have taken the trade? Well, let's take a look. Remember, we never ever try to trade the higher time frames. We have to go down when it's market open because it's just too fast. You can't get, you can do a 1 hour, but you're not going to get the entries and stuff that you want if you're trying to look at that. Holy Grail trade. All right, here we go. All right, so this is a buy on 3-minute. Let's go back here and see what it looks like on the 1 minute. Reviewing the trades I'm in, why I took them, how I took them, entrances and exits, and why I'm holding the trade. This is ridiculous. But I missed it. There it is. Okay. So let's see what this looks like. So this is going to be probably then a 5-minute buy stop. All right. At this time, I don't even know if the 30 seconds doesn't look like this is drop down. At this time, we don't have a buy for US 30 on the 1 minute. We didn't have it. Was it there on the 3-minute? Hold on before I misspeak. I don't think it was though. Oh shoot, fire. There we go. Oh, it was. So it was a buy. Probably on 5-minute. Yes. 10 minutes. See? Yes. Okay. So again, 5-minute, 10-minute buys, that doesn't matter. Right at open. And then we're going to go ahead and look at this trade long and hard. I want to see something on this one. I want to see if, yeah, it was a 10-minute buy stop to the 15 minutes. So this is a 10-minute, 15-minute buy right here where I had it. And of course, it went straight up. So that was a 10-minute one on that one. Now, why did I opened a couple on that one. I remember I definitely had 2 or 3 open on that one. Why did I take the trade? Is because we have our buy stop. And then we have it going to from the 1 to 15 minutes perfection. And let's take a look a little higher at 30 minutes. 1 hour, 2 hour, 2 hour buy also, by the way. It's gonna be a 2 hour, 3 hour though. Yeah, 3 hour buy, 3 hour, 4 hour buy. Okay, so if we took the trade, we took the trade off the 15-minute buy, also a 2 hour buy. You can clearly see when that trade happened. The pink line was coming up on the 4 hour. It hasn't touched yet. So I'm gonna hold it till it touches. But like I told you already, see here, on the 7 hour, it hasn't gone up and touched yet. I'm gonna hold it. The 12 hour hasn't gone up, it's actually down, hasn't gone up yet and touched. I'm gonna hold it. Look at the daily. The daily was actually a daily weekly buy. That's why I keep telling you, when this trade occurred, I'm holding US 30 and NAS and SPX until this pink line comes up to the blue on the weekly US 30. I can't make it any simpler. That's why I'm doing this trade. That trade is currently up 700. I'm sorry, exaggerated. It's up 610 pips right now. What's up, Robel? You're welcome, Perez. All right, does everybody get a thumbs up? Does everybody understand this trade, why and how I'm holding it for so long? Just getting started with US 30, we're gonna be holding that. There's gonna be a lot more buys in as this turns up. This is gonna fill this gap right here. I guess I can explain that later if I have a little time afterwards. Yes, says Jay Parker. Sevens. Okay, cool. Nice. Thank you, Eric. Good. All right. Next trade is we were here. Yes, we were here. Next trade is Odds USD. Odds USD is a test trade. I'm actually probably as proud as this one as any of the trades, including this $4,000 trade. I'm just very happy. You don't really need to know this one. I'm testing out the daily versus the weekly to help tweak the it is a good trade. I'm just not going to go over it with you. NAS. On 6/4, there was a NAS trade and an SPX trade at 17:31, both of them exact same time. So we can go to NAS and SPX same time. So we're going to go to NAS. We want it to be 6/4. Wow, that's a so 6, and let's see, just get back here. It's going to be more time. 6, somewhere around here. There we go. Probably. Oh, look at that. Not only that, it was a holy grail trade. Woo! Boy, you get those holy grails a little bit, you guys are gonna be thrilled. Wow. 6/4 at 17:31, an hour after opens. Let's see what it was. That is too fucking cool. 17. See, I actually called the holy grail trade before it happened. That's funny. Right here. So this was not only was a buy stop, it's a buy stop to the blue line on the 15-minute time frame. Nope. Nope. Hold on. Nope. I'm really not getting to that 1 minute time. Yeah. 3 hour buy stop. So zoom in a little bit and show you. This is the trade from June the 4th. This is a NAS 100. Okay. This is green, 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 red, broken box. So technically, this is going to be a 4 hour. It is. Oh, it's even higher. It's a 7 hour. It is 7 hour. So now we have green, 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 red, green, green, 7 hour buy stop. Let's go ahead and compare the 7 hour to the daily at this time. Yep. So we saw it was right at its. The only important two things we ever have is right here. Number one, line high. Number two, pink line low. When you see this and it's the trade, you can see the pink coming up. I'm not going to sell it till it did this. Well, I did sell one. I kept one open when it after it hit this. Why did I do that? Well, US 30, when this happened on 6/4, let's see what US 30 was doing. So US 30's blue line was still down. Let's see what 6/4 was on the weekly. See? It'd have been right here. So that's why when I knew that US 30 hasn't gone up and touched. See, if you go to NAS's, you'll see, well, it was still coming up actually, but you'll see it was high, SPX high, okay? US 30 at that time was still low. Amazing. So I'm gonna hold those. I keep telling you, US 30 buys are the best thing you can do right now. I said that for a week. I said that for 2 weeks. You can buy, you can get. So this trade from here to where we're at has yielded approximately 2,000 pips. Yeah. Now I'm up 4,159. So I've caught 2,000 pips on a NAS buy O2. Let that sink in. Over 2,000 pips on a NAS buy from 6/4. Still holding. You know how many 2,000 pips is? There's some professional traders that have made 2,000 pips in a 10-year career. Guarantee you we had this. 2,000 pips is an insane, legendary number of pips to hold a trade. Insanity. In the same time, the same trade would be on, yeah. You're looking at 350 pips over that on SPX. 2,000 pips on that. Are you kidding me? Over 2,000 pips on a trade on NAS. I don't even know what to tell you. You just thank God. Over 350 pips on SPX. Just thank God. And those are all the trades I have. LT, you're looking at the Holy Grail. LT, don't be cheating now. Yeah, thank you. You're welcome. Yep. Thank God for the system is right. All right. Anybody on TikTok or YouTube have any questions over the trade? Anyone have any questions over those trades I just explained to you? If you do, you can rewatch this video. It's very. No one has any questions. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and explain something. Some of you have already started getting this. Yay. What did you guys start getting? The freedom signal indicator, the freedom indicator. Release date is July 14th. We've been releasing it early to everybody as soon as we can put 50 a night until the release date. I-714, every one of you will have this. The freedom indicator is another reason why I took these calls. I didn't want to go into it. I was trying to explain the basics. What it is the freedom indicator follows the exact rules I just went over with you. That's what it's a free major upgrade from B&I. We're not charging anyone in tier 1 or 3 any more money for this. We've been working on this and perfecting it for over since like 8 months. It's now been perfected. It's been coded by the great Keith Palmer, the man, the myth, and the legend. Combines the machine gun signals and the Hydra 2.0 signals. We'll have 80% plus win rate or fuck, I'll take the simple off. It's not. Now I guarantee you it's a 95, 100% win rate on these. I'm just saying the minimum win rate, the bare bones minimum win rate I'll tolerate is 80. And to put that in perspective, professional traders only make 60% of their trades correct. Select few, by the way. They only go for 10 pips in a day. That's a joke to me, 10 pips. I'm holding a trade with 2,000. And they do it over multiple. In other words, they're trying to get a tick or two or a pip or two. They put a huge amount of money on it and they make multiple trades a day trying to get to 10 pips. That is not trading. That is just lucky. It's bullshit. Must be in tier 3 signals again on your charts. You must have premium trading view to really take advantage of it. Already sending signals to tier 1, 2, and 3. Discord. We're already using it's already going out free, so there's been a free upgrade to tier 1, 2, and 3. Tier 3, get this on the chart. This is holy grail trade. You ain't seen nothing yet till you see this go. Wait till you see this one come. Julius negative, get the system. Best training video ever, sister. Nice. Glad you like it. Thank you, guide. You're welcome. All right. So this is for everybody. This is as simple and straightforward as you can make it. Now let's take a look at something. What is the not the Holy Grail trade? Can't look at that. Doop. Holy Grail trade. Doop 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 doop. Nope, we're not looking at that today. All right, what we're going to look at is a whole bunch of other things. If you like to trade weekly dailies, which none of you do because none of you are smart enough to do it. No offense, say none. Most of you aren't smart enough to do it. But if you wanted to trade weekly dailies, basically, other than God turning the system is infallible at this time. Infallible. And God can do whatever he wants, whatever can happen. But no. Just wait. I would recommend you guys stay at these high W1D1s, W2D1s are your best trades, especially the W1D1s. Now, W1 DTS daily safety trade are fantastic. So W1 trade also very, but it's a W1D1. If you want me to show you how much money this makes, I can, but it's just psychotically good. Okay, there is no misses to show you. No, this isn't a missed call. You would never enter the trade. You're supposed to take W1, or in this case, W1D1 sells. And that's the first trade you would take. Here's your W1, shit ton of money. W1D2 made a shit ton of money. W1, the very first one, made a shit ton of money. W2D1 made a shit ton of money. You would have to follow the rules on any trades after that, which would be here. You would never have engaged this trade. And it made money anyways. Never engaged. All right. So if you don't like the weekly, daily time frames, you don't have to trade that. We have a freedom indicator on all time frames. Well, down to 30 seconds. This weekly is your controller. The weekly controls the daily. So when the weekly shows green, you only play daily buys. It's as simple as that. Now, if we go over here, we go to hourly. You have to go to the lowest time frame, which would be the 5-minute right here. But I'm going to go just to the hourly. So the daily controls the hourly. The daily controls the daily controls the 15-minute. The daily controls the 10-minute, and the daily controls the 5-minute. Look at how accurate this is. Here's your D2. You wait for the very first time that the trade goes from here to here is a shit ton of money. There's a lot more accurate calls, by the way. The D1 is your machine gun signal. It's a pre-signal, meaning it alerts you to a number of other signals that might be happening. In this case, a shit ton happened. 15, 20 of them, you could have probably made money on every signal. After the very first one, you can enter these other trades you see, but you'll enter them only following the 2 rules we have. So 2 rule entries is what you'll need. Okay, go back further. Look at all these. So fucking cool. Here's your D1 again. This D1 trade. Look at all that money. Look at all that money. Holy shit. You want to notice something? I went on June the 4th, and around June the 6th when the first signal called out. I am still a little better than the civil service. No trade exactly like me because I'm human and program. But if you follow our rules, this is exactly what you get. D1 buys, D2 buys. Look at it. Look at how fucking cool this is. So this D1 machine gun pre-signal calls out all these other signals that are coming. It alerts you, "Hey, silly people, pay attention. Look for these buy stops. Those make money." Look at that fucking shit. Holy crap. Don't like trading, hourly, 30-minute, 15-minute, 10 minutes, or 5 minutes, don't worry about it. We have something, and a matter of fact, for all your future traders out there, I call them gamblers, we have what's something called the lower time frames. The hourly controls the 3 minute, the hourly controls the 1 minute, the hourly. So, if we go down, 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 okay? Matter of fact, we really need to go down to 30 seconds. You're supposed to run it off the smallest time frame. Gold. Hourly one looking for a buy. I'd play any 3 minute, 1 minute, 30-second buy you can see on gold. Any 1 minute, 3 minute, 30-second buy stop you see on gold. This is an H2. There's no signal call. It actually did go down to make money, but there's no signal call. This was the last one. Hold on. I don't see the where's the hourly at? Hourly. Hourly one was right here on the 30-second. Right here. You could take that trade, but I recommend you wait for the first signal. It's 30 seconds. Oh, it went a shit ton of money. These other signals would have never engaged if you follow the rules. First one is your best one. Now, let me be clear. When you're dealing with time frames such as this, when you're dealing with time frames that are 30 seconds, you're not going to make 2,000 pips on a 30-second call, generally speaking. You're not going to make 2,000 pips on an M call. You're not going to make 2,000 pips on 3. You just aren't. So if you're trying to look for hundreds of dollars an ounce on gold on a sell, it isn't going to happen. There's rules. You take about $1 to $2 an ounce. That's ridiculous. 2,360. Yeah, so that's about $4, $3, $4 an ounce. It's huge. But in my case, that isn't a lot of gold call. Okay. Yes, it works on futures. Yes, it works on US 30, just showed you, NAS, SPY, SPX. Yes, it works on gold. Yes, it works on, it doesn't matter. We have freedom indicator working perfectly and flawlessly from the 30-second to the 30-day, from 30 seconds to the month. And that's what it's doing now. Yes, it works on, you name it. This is oil. You can go to weekly, daily, final oil. Let's take a look. It'll work. Over to daily, sorry. Oh, this one doesn't have a lot of history. I can't show you weekly. Let me turn that one off. There we go. Look at that. Look at that shit, shall we? Take a look. This is oil. It works on everything. Here's your D1. You take the very first signal you'd have made money. There it is. Here's D2, never engaged, no other signal was issued. Look at this. Look at this gold mine. Look at this. This will be a D1 here, I'm sure. What's this one? Yeah. Daily one here. Take the very first signal that pops up. You made so much money on oil, I don't even know what to tell you. So it works on oil futures. It works on gold. It works on SPY, SPX. Just keep naming it. XRP, Ethereum. Flawlessly on Bitcoin. Flawlessly on Bitcoin. Buy and sells. Doesn't matter. Here's your D. Look at. Oh, why did Bitcoin go down? Because of it. No, Bitcoin went down because the system said it. D1, take the trade. It went down. D1 first time. Take the trade. It went down. Doesn't matter. Does it do buys? Yes. There's a D1 buy. No further buys. Oh, Here's your D1 cell, D1 cell. Here's your first trigger, went straight down. This is a D3, so the D here's your D1 Bitcoin buys. D1 calling your machine pre-signal, pre-signal. Hey, look at all these other signals it called. Oh, that's incredible. You would have got in here on this one. You'd have made all that. Look at that. Fucking incredible. You notice it doesn't call any wrong signals. It's only calling correct signals. That's where I say to this day, I don't care. Any live trader would like to come on the live, I'll gladly welcome you. No longer am I asking people to debate the system because with these signals, with live, you can't deny it. So it works every time. There's nothing anyone can say. If anyone would like to try to trade my signal system, come on the live, make the calls. I'll use the calls when I see them appropriately, and I want to do the daily. But I'll go ahead and do it on the 1 hours too if you want with the 5 minute time. I don't care. My signal service will outtrade any trader, professional, beginner, and lucky. Will outtrade. You come on the live. Matter of fact, I love them to come on the live and trade it open with me. Good luck on that, or the news with me. Good luck on that. They would have no chance. But they can make any call signals they want, and we'll just see who wins. I'll use my signal service as any other trader. Let's have some fun. Open challenge to any trader in the world. Russian, I don't care who you are. The system will win every time. And it's that easy. If you're a beginner, you buy the signal service, you don't even know what the fuck you need to do. All you're going to do is match up two arrows. If it's a red down arrow, you only match up the next red down arrow. You'll make money. If it's green, green arrow to make money. That's all. This is Bitcoin. Let's do a little fun thing here. Go back to here. Let's make sure we're going to see the signal. Hold on. There we go. Very first time this pops up, you instead of one Bitcoin, buy. Watch the money here and watch this green arrow. We're going to wait for one of these other ones to pop up. Too slow. Let's go to 3. Okay, this is a live playback. This is Bitcoin. It's also going too slow. I can't take this. Hold on. Let's go to 10. There we go. That's your money. Waiting for one of these things to flip open. I'm going to try to pause it at the time. Look at okay, off the screen. Holy shit. There we go. Whoops, stop. So the very first time this 5 minute came up, we should have did a buy. So we're going to do another buy there. And then that's it. You don't have to earn any more trades unless you want to. Look at it flash. Look at it flash. When you guys start seeing these flashes, put your money. Look at how correct all these calls are. Look, every time you see that 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, boom, money. These are non-repeating signals. They never change. This will be the same. Look at again. Pop. There it goes again off the chart. There it goes again. Oh, look at the money. Look again. It flashed. There you go. That's it. Look at how awesome. Another D2, but that's past it now. That's it. There's your money. Easy, easy, all the way on. Didn't even all have to. Wow. Amazing to have such an accurate system. Yes, it does the cells. I already showed you that. And yes, it does. All right. What's up, Args? This is so bad, bro. I hope you mean bad in a good way. What's up, Jack? What's up, Pete? How you doing? Jack Wagner. What's up, Peter P? Don't have it yet, but patiently waiting. You should get it, LT. Get the dang on signals tier 3. It's amazing. I made 50 days. I was happy I might have got out early. What's the signal to get out? I've already gone over that. Tell Jeremy what's the signal to get out, everybody. I use a sniper for exits. Yes. I have a sniper. I think Don't make a trade with I went over that 100 times. Get out, in this case, whatever your time period, if you entered it off that look at all those buys, holy fucking shit. You're gonna get out in this case when US 30 what I'm gonna get out in this case is when US 30 weekly pink line goes up and touches the blue. I'm gonna get out of my NAS, SPX, and US 30 trades when it comes up. Now, if you traded this on the 1 hour, you would then since you entered a trade here, so the line in the 1 hour. I'm holding mine because I'm looking a little larger. I went over that at least a dozen times earlier. Just rewatch this video and you'll see what to do. Oh, nice, LT. Have you gotten have you checked your everyone needs to check that it's in tier 3? Check to see if you have your invite only script. If you have your invite only script, you can put them on. In fact, let me make a note on here. I have to share, share, and like. Share the rules. Thought I did already, but I'm not in there in Discord. I'll post them up either tonight or tomorrow morning. Uh, okay. What's up, Zara? Good evening, Kevin. All right. Anybody have any questions? And ARGs, if you mean this is so bad, like it doesn't work, get the fuck out of here, or I'll ban you. But if you have some questions, you can ask them, or if you mean this is so bad, like it's good, that's cool. Thank you, God. Thank you, Kevin Bree. This is a great system. Yep. You're welcome, Jose, Luis, Alonso. Julia, thank God. Thank Kevin and Bree for this. Amen. Yep. All right. Any questions over anything I went over? It's made for beginners. Easiest thing if you listen to the signals, not so you can try to use the raw system and the challenges with the sniper. Again, me personally, I can trade without it. I will never trade without the sniper. It's that good. And if you want the signal service to let you know when to get in and out, you can. It just costs $350 a month plus the sniper, which is $150 a month. Anybody on TikTok have any questions? What's up, DPFX? There you go, TPFX. Yep. You need to learn to hold. Let those runners run. That's why they're called runners. All right. God bless you all on TikTok. I'm going to close that down and head over to YouTube for a second. Take care, everybody on TikTok. God bless you all. I'm heading over to YouTube just to hang out there for a minute or two. Good night, Zara. God bless. All right. See you on TikTok, YouTube. Any questions that I can go over for you? YouTubers, any question? I love tier. I think he's saying tier 3. Yeah, they all work. Tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. YouTube, any questions? If not, God bless you all. Everybody have a great evening. Enjoy yourselves. All right. God bless everybody on YouTube. Have a great, great evening.